Welcome. In front of me I have HiSense LED TV, and today I'll show you how you can change audio language. Tap menu button on your remote control, then tap on the right arrow 5 times, and you have to be in the setup. Then use this one and go for the audio language. Click OK to enter, and here you can easily change. As you can see, currently it's set up as the French. You can change to Spanish, Greek, Dutch, Italian, Portuguese, German, Russian. So basically you got here every language, as you can see, and we are going to set it up as English. So click OK to confirm, and it's finished. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.